guys, it's David and Mr. Box. And today I'm going to be drawing Selever for Friday Night Funkin' Mid-Fight Matches. Let's get started. And Mr. Crayola Box Man art guy, he wanted me to draw this. Yes, I did. Okay, let's go. First of all, we're going to draw his head, and now we're going to work on his eyes. Now we're going to work on his smile. Okay, now I'm trying to imagine Selever right now, so now we are going to work on his hair. And now we're working on his hair, so we're going to draw his ponytail. One thing I enjoy about Selever is that he's probably like my favorite character in the mid-fight. His song to me is the hardest because I still haven't beaten it. It's very hard. It's called Casanova. Yeah. It's just ridiculously hard. So, anyway, Selever is supposed to be Sarvente and Rogue's child from a different universe. I said that correctly. And so, I really enjoy how his art style is. And he's more of his mom than what he is of his dad. What he has that from his dad is pretty much height, and he can cause earthquakes when he raps, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Now we're gonna work on the rest of Selever. Okay, we're gonna work on his shirt. And my black marker is getting pretty low, and it's because I use it a lot. So now that we have this down, it is time to start. I don't even know what this color is, but okay. It's some sort of red. Okay, I knew that. Anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna draw his hand in his pocket. And just to make it look outlined, we're gonna do this. And so now we're gonna work on the rest of Selever's shirt. Or sweater in that matter. And now we are going to do this. You're missing the other hand. I know that. Okay, don't have to scream at me. Okay, ma'am, sorry. Okay, so why do you like this character? Why did you request it for me, Mr. Crambox?
It's called markers.
Okay. Anyways, why do you like him?
Oh, because I thought it was cool.
That's it?
Yeah, so.
Okay. I'm just gonna draw his hand. I'm gonna draw the rest of his sleeve.
Can I choose my answer?
Sure, I don't care.
Because Selever's mean.
Oh. Okay. I don't care. Now it's time to hold him holding the mic. It's gonna be hard because I ain't so good at these hands.
I love your show.
Okay, thank you for that confidence moment. Yeah, I'm just gonna color it out one with nothing. Okay, this is where black feels the most pain. Yeah, Selever got long boy legs.
You got so much big boy legs.
You sound like Elmo screaming or something.
I do?
Yeah, sort of. Oh, my black marker is feeling so much pain. And it's like this one marker that I haven't used at all. I think it's probably one of these two. I barely use them. I feel bad for those kids. Yeah, me too. And Selever also has wings, and I overdid this shirt, so we're gonna go down. Oh, black marker's gonna feel more pain in this. You might think I'm done here, but I'm not. Now we are going to work on Selever's wings, which are very tiny. Anyways, so now what do you want? Now how am I gonna draw these? I think I need a backup black marker.
No, you're fine.
Okay. I'll do whatever you say. I'll just draw like this. That boy sassy. What did this guy say? Oh, nothing. Okay. Almost done with wing number 1, and then we'll move on to wing number 2. I already don't know how to draw Selever's wings, so I try my very hardest. Okay, now we're gonna work on a second one. Dun 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 dun. Okay, we get the song, Mr. Box.
Okay. I just wanted to say, I just fun in my opinion, you know.
I guess that song's a little good. Now, what I haven't done, or at least I don't think I've done, I'm gonna write his name right over here. Actually, Selever. And I just want to do this. Yeah, I want to draw his little icon. Yeah. Also, what I really wanted to add to this was pink shine. Okay. Mr. Marker Box, is that all?
Yeah, I guess that's all. You cannot use my kids on anymore.
What?
Yeah, I don't want to use my kids on them.
Yeah. I'm gonna use all these markers. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like under the ending, baby.
Can I do the outro this time?
Fine.